Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm going to make a really quick tutorial on how to make like fast possible website in a couple of seconds, and it's so easy. You can make it today. Start making money. As Andrew Tate says, rule number one is speed. And rule number second, you can start the money in as fast as possible. So first of all, we're going to a website called Wix.com. It's a great website, like it's easier to use and stuff. So basically you will sign up. When you will sign up, you will obviously have the access to create a new site. When you click on create new site, it will open, like you will see this page after you signed up your it's easy to sign up your email. I assume you can do that. So which platform do you want to use? So there is this editor X, there is bunch of templates. It's harder to edit, it's harder to use, it's not much user friendly, but if you want to use it as fast as possible, you can click here. It will be like in matter of second. So we click here, the Wix. You choose your business or website tab. Let's say for example, now I want to start marketing agency, or like let's say product product launch. Yeah, why not? A product launch. You click next. Okay, what's my website name? Let's say something like nice shoes. Nice shoes. Which could talk about that. So we build events. You can select what kind of pages you want to have. It describes everything, bro. It's easy. Events for creating events and sell like tickets and stuff. Chat, obviously you need a chat if you want to have a chat. It will connect to your phone. It's very simple. It will connect it to your phone. It's like, if you want, I can make a tutorial out of that. Like, you can add this stuff. I think if we have a booking, so that we have pre-sales, especially if you want to have dropshipping sales. So pricing plans, yeah, why not? If you want to have something like that, membership, or everything, anything that you want to use. Now I'm not going to use something special, so you click next after you selected your favorite ones. It's supposed to ask your brand name and stuff too. So start designing yourself. You can design with this, begin with the templates, or get a custom built site. This is the simplest one. Okay, let's click on this. Okay, we will click on this in a new website. Oh man. Okay, customize a designer made template. This is easy. This is easy too. It's going to it's you see, the websites are simple, easy to use. You see, they're beautiful. They're really beautiful. They're beautiful and simple to use. I really love them. They use the best match. You go to them, you like click edit, and they're simple to edit. It's so simple. Okay, or you can basically come back or build your custom AI built website. So you click on this. It's easy to use. It's better than all the AIs. It's not better than them, but it's simple. It creates a very simple, friendly. You can add logo, like for example in my situation I don't have a logo or something. So yeah, name, email, address, phone. If you don't have them, no problem. You can add them later on your contact. It just makes it easier. So you click next. Now it becomes on the pick a theme. It gives you 6 themes so that you will not be complicated with these a lot of things and stuff, as you remember. So let's click on anything you want, man. Like Vok, classic. I'm mostly like classic and like this kind of modern stuff when I want to use special like this. Like this is beautiful too. So we click next, and it will give you 3 options. They're really incredible, like 3 different kind of brands. Most of the brands, like if you search up most of the brands, the best brands, they use the same thing. They just change the text, they change the image. This is what most of the brands get profit on. Like, okay, let's go to a brand like Swarovski.com, or yeah, if you see it, it will load in 1 second until it loads. I'll come here. So yeah, You see, it's just a video, an example, a writing, and so on. You see, you can add these animations to your website too later on. So let's say another website, Pandora, they make a lot of money, a lot of money. So yeah, you see, simple, just a picture, bunch of products, that's it. You can have the same thing here. Okay, so we click on pick your favorite homepage design. So best of all is to have a white background design and a bigger logo at the middle. It's more beautiful in my opinion most of the time. So yeah, we're going to choose these as a branding. So yeah, you add a page to your site, obviously a welcome page. You will have more pages. It differs, but it differs for your business type. So if you want to choose another business type, it will differ. So yeah, most of the times we should have these. So edit site. So yeah, you see, now it comes to here. I think if we change the website, it could have more beautiful. So let's go with yeah, you see here it has our services, for example, like as we were saying, for example, this is our booking stuff, reservations. You see, you can change them very easily. Now this is a pretty bad example, but no problem, you can come back always. So we select create new site, as simple as that. Look how many websites I have built, as simple as that. Wix, editor Wix is good, as you see here. It's a little bit harder, it has more complicated stuff, but still it's good, it's good. So let's say technology company, beautiful. Okay, for example, this should have a good website. So let's say tech nerds, I don't know, bro, tech nerds. So next, oh yeah, what do you want to add to your website? We want to chat is always good, yeah, if you have a customer service or something. So chat, events, maybe blogs. Yeah, why not blogs? Technology blogs, because we're technology. Online store, maybe you want to sell something online. Maybe online pricing plans, maybe you want to sell a exclusive to something. So yeah, you see there's everything, like Instagram feed. Yeah, why not? So we click next again to remind you guys, start designing your site. If you choose begin with templates, it's going to show us like this. It even gives you best match. It's very beautiful, very useful. So yeah, beautiful. We come back, we choose the AI one because we need it as fast as possible. I wanted to keep this YouTube as like 2 minutes or something, but like it got 8 minutes, but it's fine. We'll go again. Simple as that. Oh my god. So click next. I mean, how people are procrastinating on this. For example, oh shit, this is beautiful. Sorry. So yeah, you will wait because you see that it picks colors perfectly. It will give you, for example, this one is beautiful, this one is beautiful too. Between these ones, I choose these ones because I like the logo to be in middle and big. So this is my opinion. So we click next. You can choose whatever you like here, you know, it even shows you. So we add an about us page, FAQ, press kit, why not, contact form, and news, why not. So edit the site. It have a blog and it's simple to use. You go to the edit website and you can change it there. This is so simple. It doesn't cost anything. Like I don't think it's more than $10 to have a pro, especially now they have 50% off. I don't know, maybe later on it will change, but yeah. So you can click, you see, you can like quick edit, change the backgrounds, layout. You can come here, site design. If you're not satisfied with the color theme and stuff, so you click here, energetic. You see, you can choose or even customize it. You place these colors or text, you customize it. So this is ad apps. This is difficult. If you guys want, I can teach you later on, but yeah, this is now the simple one. You just need to change the text maybe and stuff. And if you want to more information, if you have you see manage menu, like for example, if you want to change here, when you click on it, the menu will come up here. So manage menu, you can make it, you can change it even. You can, for example, do these settings. Yeah, you can even like change when you drag this, you can change them. So yeah, even you can change the design or layout. Sometimes the design. You see here it gives specific good design, so it's perfect for what we want. It's really perfect. I can exaggerate how simple and easy to use. So we come, for example, now if you want to add products, it's again simple. You come to site. Oh, sorry. You come to site, my dashboard. Here is everything is going to be a little bit complicated because it designs everything, but listen, it gives you step by step what you need to do to finish up with your website. So simple as that, my friends. Simple. You can check your activity here, how many people come to your website, and analytics, and you can even for the chat or the blog, everything is here. Everything simple, very simple, incredible work for Wix.com. So if you guys want a detailed educational video on how to build a really good website, a really good and simple website to use, just hit me up as fast as you want. Like I'll keep you up. Love you all. Please subscribe. This is my first video that I really put some, and I really want to start a great YouTube channel. If you guys support me, like, thank you very much. Like I will really appreciate that, and I promise I will give a really good value next time and even better value the other time. So love you. Bye bye.